Good day and welcome to How To. Today I'm going to show you how to import videos into your Premiere Pro project. Last time I made this project name folder with the project itself, and when you still got that folder or something like that, open the project file. After you've opened your project file, you should be seeing this. Something like this, of course. I have customized this whole menu for myself. I could also select something else, but it's called edit one screen for me because that's a lot better. I'm going to use editing so it looks like your menu. It looks like a lot, I know, but that's going to be fine. First thing you need to do is, of course, add media files to it, so video files. I don't have that right now, but I can make a new sequence. A sequence is a video full of the clips you're going to add. So click on this paper icon, then go to sequence. You will be seeing this. This here is going to be the name of the sequence you're going to make. So I'm going to call it video name because I don't have a name for it. It's empty, but you can put your video name here. The next thing you could do is it's probably going to go to digital SR. I don't know, something like that. I'm not really sure. You can go to settings, and there's a lot here. I know, this just a lot. But what you can do is you go here, you click on custom. After you have done this, a lot of settings are going to change. This is the video frame size, so this is the resolution of everything. This is 1080p full screen. That's how you can look at it. I'm going to keep it at that. So after you've clicked on custom and everything kind of looks like what's happening here, it should be fine. I'm just going to click reset here so we can reset the preview. After you've reset it, it should be the same as the video resolution. Click on the height, so 1080. And I'm going to change it to 720. You're going to click on it, type 720 and click away. Don't press enter because you're going to go to OK and it's going to create a sequence without the edits you made. So click next to it. Now it says 1280 720. This is 720p and it's a lower resolution. You're going to preview in the program window. I'm going to show that later. But 1080p is going to be the export and 720 is going to be the preview only for you. So enter the video name. You can save the preset if you want to, of course. Click on save preset, give it a name like 1080p. You can choose the frames per second. I'm putting it on 30 frames per second. You can also put it on 60 frames per second if you're making a gaming video. I'm going to leave it at 30 FPS per second, so that's fine. You're going to click on save preset and type 1080p if you have selected the 1080p preset, of course, and then 30 FPS. So that's right here. And then the ratio, it's not something I'm really going to explain, but the ratio is 16:9. So this is pretty much full screen for most monitors. Not phones these days, they're really different. But that's the ratio, this is the FPS, and this is the resolution of the video. So after you have done this, you can click on OK. You're going to... Oh, I made a mistake. You cannot use columns, so please use like a dot or something like that because it bugs. Click on OK. After you've done this, it's going to load all the presets you have made. These are my custom presets. You can find it in the custom folder right here. And my custom preset I just made is this one. 1080p, 30 FPS, 16:9. This is your video name and click on OK. Select this one, of course. There you go. You have made your sequence. And this is the timeline. Here you're going to add your videos. And this is the project folder. That's how you can look at it. You could also use Media Browser to search for your files. I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use the Window Explorer. I'm going to use the last video I made and I'm going to import it in the projects folder. So what you need to do is select it, you drag it to the project and to the folder and let it go. It's going to import your video, and you can see that right here. It's called an MP4 file, and this one is a sequence. So do not delete these, just drag this video to the timeline and let it go. Next time I'm going to explain how to edit videos. You can save your file right here, file and save. There you go. Hope you enjoyed it.